2019 Novel Coronavirus 2019-nCoV Triplex RT-qPCR Detection Kit. Please operate the experiment in the biosafety cabinet. Please read the package insert carefully before detection. The kit is composed of detection buffer, enzyme mix, positive control, negative control. Before a detection, tear open the foil bag. Take out the components and thaw it on ice. Mix by shaking and centrifuge briefly before use. Viral RNA extraction kits are needed but not provided in the kit. The samples should be extracted according to the corresponding requirements and procedures of viral RNA extraction kits. Aliquot desire volume sterile saline solutions to a new 1.5 ml of RNase-free EP tube additional consumable. Add 5 microliters of positive control provided in the kit to the tube containing sterile saline solutions, then mix thoroughly by vortex. Add 5 microliters of negative control provided in the kit to the tube containing sterile saline solutions, then mix thoroughly by vortex. Each nucleic acid extraction procedure of samples must be performed simultaneously with a reference substance. Prepare the mixture in RNase-free centrifuge tube. Additional consumable as follows. Mix the above mixture thoroughly and centrifuge briefly. Make aliquots of 30 microliters into different PCR reaction tubes. Then move to the specimen preparation area. Add 20 microliters of extracted negative control products, 20 microliters of extracted positive control products, and 20 microliters of extracted RNA from specimen to different PCR reaction tubes, which contained 30 microliters of PCR mix. The total volume is 50 microliters. Cap the reaction tubes tightly. Centrifuge them at low speed. Then move to the detection area. Put the reaction tubes on a qPCR instrument. Set up and run the following cycling protocol. Settings of detection fluorescence: ORF 1AB gene, FEM, N gene, Texas wrapped or ROX, internal control, HEX or VIC. Interpret the result according to the specification.